Hey everyone, this is another Excel 1 minute basics video, and I'm going to show you how to build a bar chart and column charts in Excel. And if you want to follow along to this video or the many other Excel basic videos that I have online right now or coming soon, I'll put a link to the workbook in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go over to table 3 or tab 3 in the workbook, and up the top we've got all the product sales for this year and last year. I'm going to highlight the products and this year's sales, including the headings, go up to insert in the ribbon, go over to the chart section and select the down arrow next to the column chart. I'm going to go down to 2D bar chart and select that one, and now we've created a chart. But I want to change this to a column chart, so I'm going to select the chart again. Up in the ribbon in chart design, I'm going to go to the right and change chart type. On the left with all the different options, I'm going to select column, select the first icon and press OK. Let's change it to vertical bars instead of horizontal. And you can see the data that we've selected is highlighted with this coloured border. I'm going to select the little dot in the bottom right hand corner and drag it over to last year's sales. And what that's done is now added some extra data into that chart. Up in the ribbon, if you've got the chart selected, you can add a chart element. I'm going to select that, go down to legend and add one at the bottom. So now I've got a legend in the bottom of the chart. So there's some basics to get you started with charts. If you want a more detailed video, I've got one and I'll put one in the description below. Take a look at that one. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe. See you next time.